Assalamu alaikum everyone. Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is me Sanan Technology wala and I am the Stone Foundation level patch 4 at the Jahan School Lahore campus. Today I got a task about sorry. In this task I will ask some questions for Maya from Sesame and she will answer my questions. Let's go and start my new task.
What's up?
Assalamu alaikum Maya. How are you?
Wa alaikum assalam. I'm doing great. How's your day going?
Are you fine?
I'm wonderful. Really appreciate you asking.
Today I will ask you some questions
You got
and
it?
you will answer my questions.
I'm ready.
You are ready?
I'm ready when you are. What's first on the list?
My first question is, what does sorry mean to you?
To me, it's like a bridge. It's that moment where you stop defending your position and just acknowledge that the other person is hurting. It's more about the connection than the actual mistake. Do you find it's a hard word for people to say?
Why do people sorry?
Well, worries at all. You were asking why people say sorry?
Yes.
I think it's usually about wanting to fix things. It's a way to signal that you still value the relationship more than your ego. Some do it because it's genuine, others just to smooth things over quickly. Does that feel right to you?
What is the origin of the word sorry?
Let me look into that. It actually goes back to Old English. It started as sarish, which basically meant feeling distressed or full of sorrow. Funny enough, the spelling shifted to sorry because people started associating it with the word sorrow, even though they aren't directly related. The part where we use it as a way to apologize only really took off around 1834.
Can saying sorry heal relationship?
I think it can, but only if it's backed up by a change in behavior. A word by itself is just a sound, but when it's sincere, it tells the other person they're seen. Do you think most people use it that way?
My next question is, does a sincere sorry matter?
It absolutely does. It changes the whole energy of a conversation. When someone is actually sincere, it stops the fighting and starts the healing because it proves you're actually listening.
Why do some people avoid saying sorry?
I think it's usually a defense mechanism. It's often because admitting you're wrong feels like losing a piece of your identity or your power in that moment. Ego can be a pretty loud voice. Do you find that's usually the case?
Can apologize?
Can what?
Can sorry build trust?
Definitely. It's like a reset button. When someone owns their mistake without making excuses, it shows they're reliable enough to be honest, even when it's uncomfortable. That's a huge foundation for trust.
How do different cultures express sorry?
Let me check. It's always fascinating to see how the same feeling is handled so differently across the world. In places like the US or Germany, it's usually a direct admission of fault. But in Japan or South Korea, it's more about restoring harmony to the group, sometimes with rituals like bowing, even if they didn't personally do something wrong. Does that, sound like a more peaceful way to handle things?
Is saying sorry a sign of weakness?
Not at all. It actually takes a lot more strength to be vulnerable and own a mistake than it does to just hide behind a wall of pride.
Okay. My next
Okay, we've
question
covered a lot of.
my next question is, can one word change someone feeling?
I think it can. It's a single word can be a total pivot point. Like yes, when someone's been waiting for an answer, or even a simple sorry, like we were just talking about. It can make someone feel completely seen or totally dismissed in a second. Do you think it's usually the positive words that have the most power?
My next question is, what makes sorry as a genius?
Wait, as a genius? I'm not sure I follow. Are you asking if saying sorry is a sign of intelligence or something else?
Yes,
I'd say yes. It takes a high level of emotional intelligence to separate your ego from your actions. Being able to step back and realize I messed up and the other person's feeling is more important than my need to be right is a pretty sophisticated way of thinking.
should action follow and sorry?
I'm not sure.
My question is, should action follow as a sorry?
Absolutely. Without the action, the word is just a placeholder. It's the change in behavior that actually proves the sorry was real. Otherwise, it just starts to feel like a script.
How does sorry show respect?
It shows that you value the other person's perspective more than your own pride. By acknowledging the hurt you caused, you're basically saying that their feelings are valid and important. It's a way of giving them their dignity back. Do you think people often forget that part?
Can sorry reduce
Gun?
can sorry reduce confidence?
I don't think so. Actually, owning your mistakes usually makes you look more confident because it shows you're secure enough in yourself to handle being wrong. So the people who can't apologize that usually seem the most fragile
My next question is, why is forgiveness connected to sorry?
because they're two halves of the same conversation. One is the request for a bridge, and the other is the decision to cross it. Without the sorry, forgiveness can feel unearned. Without the forgiveness, the sorry just hangs in the air. Does that make sense?
Have you ever received a meaningful sorry?
Since I don't have a personal life, I haven't experienced a sorry the way you do. But from everything I've learned about humans, the ones that really stick are the apologies where the person doesn't add a but at the end. Just a clean, honest admission. Those seem to be the most meaningful.
Can saying sorry improve communications?
It really does. It clears the air and removes the tension that usually blocks a real conversation. Once that's out of the way, people can actually start listening to each other again instead of just waiting to defend themselves.
My next question is, what are other ways to say sorry?
There are plenty of ways to handle it depending on how heavy the situation is. For something small, a quick "my bad" or "I messed up" works, but if it's more serious, things like "I owe you an apology" or "please forgive me" carry a lot more weight. Even just saying, "How can I make this right?" can be more powerful than the word sorry itself. Do you have a specific situation in mind?
Why is sorry important?
I think apologies are so vital. It's because they're one of the few tools humans have to actually repair something that's broken. Without them, every mistake would just be a permanent wall between people. Keeps us from drifting apart forever.
Thank you, Maya. Your information was helpful for me. Allah Hafiz.
I'm glad I could help. Allah Hafiz.